Hi, I'm Gianluca from Septentrio, and in this video we will learn what is ROSaic and how to use it. Robotics applications rely heavily on accurate positioning and timing. In this video, we will walk through how ROSaic, Septentrio ROS driver, makes it easy to integrate high-precision Septentrio GNSS and INS receivers into your robotics workflow. ROS, short for Robot Operating System, is an open-source framework which provides tools and libraries that make the development of complex and distributed robotic software easier. It is based on peer-to-peer communication, where individual processes called nodes publish messages on channels called topics, while other nodes subscribe to those topics. This model allows information to be cleanly distributed across a robotic system. ROS has two main generations, ROS 1, the original ecosystem, and ROS 2, a redesigned architecture with improved real-time capabilities, security, and native support for distributed systems. ROS 1 has played a major role in robotics for many years and is still used in many existing systems. However, its final release, ROSac, has reached end of life and is no longer actively maintained. ROS 2, on the other hand, is actively developed. Supported distributions like Humble and Iron provide long-term support, where Rolling and newly released Jassi Jalisco continue to push the platform forward. Therefore, ROS 2 is recommended for long-term and production-ready robotics projects, while ROS 1 remains relevant for legacy systems. Now let's talk about ROSaic. ROSaic is the Septentrio C++ based driver that publishes precise GNSS and INS data directly into the ROS framework, making it easy to consume this data in navigation, localization, and real-time data pipelines. ROSaic is designed to be compatible with Septentrio receivers, including Mosaic X5, Mosaic H, Mosaic G5, Asterix M3 Pro+, Asterix i3D Pro+, Asterix RBi3 Pro+, and other Septentrio receivers. The driver supports serial, USB, TCP/IP, and UDP connections, allowing users to utilize GNSS and INS data through both NMEA and SBF, Septentrio binary format. It also allows for both single and dual antenna setups for accurate positioning and attitude. You can find specific commands on how to install ROSaic on the GitHub page of Septentrio. The link is in the video description. There are two main installation options, the binary installation and building from source. For most users, binary installation provides a quick, reliable setup compatible with popular ROS distributions. This method offers a straightforward setup with minimum configuration, making it ideal for standard ROS environments. For more advanced setups requiring custom dependencies or more granular control, building from source is the most recommended solution. Once ROSaic is installed, the next step is to launch the driver. Before doing this, it's important to configure the YAML file, which is the configuration file that is launched together with the driver. The YAML file defines all the parameters related to communication ports, processing of GNSS data, as well as enabling or disabling the publishing of ROS topics. The YAML file allows you to choose the communication protocol to exchange data, and it also allows you to set up the incoming differential corrections via ntrip as well as TCP or serial connections by specifying all the necessary details for each chosen connection. In the YAML file, it is also possible to configure the receiver type, enable or disable OS/NMEA authentication, choose between north-east down and east-north up for the axis orientation, choose the datum, specify the frame IDs for various sensors, and finally, configure time synchronization, allowing the possibility of using either GNSS time or ROS systems time, along with latency compensation and adjustment for leap seconds. The final section of the YAML file is dedicated to all the available ROS topics. Each enabled topic can be published when launching the ROSaic driver. These topics mostly cover a selection of NMEA sentences such as GGA and RMC, as well as proprietary Septentrio binary format blocks. After launching ROSaic, you can verify the active topics by running ROS2 topic list. To inspect the data being published, you can use ROS2 topic, echo, and the topic name. You can also use the built-in tool Plotjuggler for better visualization of GNSS data in real time. With ROSaic, integrating Septentrio GNSS and INS receivers into ROS-based robotic systems becomes straightforward and flexible. For detailed documentation, installation steps, and advanced configuration options, be sure to check the links in the video description. For any other information, you can always contact us over the support portal.